Hello everybody, my name is Martine, and today I have a mysterious bag of yummy delicacies from the land of the rising sun, Japan. That's right, I went on to good old big corporate America, Jeff Bezos' own Amazon, and I ordered a bag of mystery, surprise, Japanese snacks and candies. Japanese snacks and candies. Also, I can open it up and try it here today for you. So why don't we find out what's in it? Why don't we find out what's in it, yeah? Unfortunately, I don't have a I don't have a pair of scissors here. Ugh. So, we'll just rip it open. Oh my goodness, it's a little here we go. A nice bountiful thing. What in the world is this? Okay. One problem. I don't speak Japanese. I don't read Japanese. I didn't equate that. This looks like some sort of sour gummy though. Okay, what do we have here? What is this? This is some sort of, well, Choco snack, obviously. It's a Choco snack, very light, very light. What else do we have in here? Oh, that's a very famous character. What is his name? I don't know, but there's corn? What? Yo, wait a minute. Wait, unless it's the year first? Hopefully it's the year first, whatever. Another one. Is this also corn? Okay, so there's multiple of these here. There's multiple of those there. What is this? Snacky Kaku crackers. Snacky Kaku crackers. What flavor? Vegetable flavor? All right, maybe it's just obligatory. There's another one of these dudes. Okay, so there's a lot of these. There's a lot, but at the same time, there's not a lot. Maybe. I don't actually know. Okay, let's sort this out. Let's sort this out. Okay, we have potentially sour things. We have, what are these? Oh, are these like Pop Rocks? Are these Japanese Pop Rocks? These feel and sound like Japanese Pop Rocks. That's pretty cool. It's a man. It says 3, but it's very clearly completely destroyed inside, whatever it is. Mystery. Strawberry jelly bean. Oh, they're soft. Oops. They're very soft. I broke that. That is my bad. I didn't intend to break that. What is this? This is very nondescript. Oh my god, I don't even want to say what that looks like. I don't even want to say what that looks like. Okay. It's a crown. It's the king's crown. Oh. Oh. My power is going out, guys. That's completely random. That is very, very random. Anyways, the king lost his crown and he's very mad, apparently. We'll continue through this. This is no problem. This is no problem. What is this? This is another one of these things. We got a lot of those things. Whatever they are, we have a lot of them. That is a banana with chocolate in the middle of it, potentially. Chocolate banana? A chocolate banana snackaroni? What? I was going to say peanuts, but ultra mini kaki pika. Okay. What is this? This looks like gum. What in the world even is this? All right. What are those individually wrapped M&Ms? Are these individually wrapped M&Ms? What? That's confusing. We got a box that's in the shape of a milk carton, car, rocket ship. I don't know. Oh my god. What bubble candy? Cola bubble candy. Okay. I don't even know what to try. There's no way. I thought this was going to be a little less intense than this. But there is a lot of stuff here. There is a lot of stuff here. What is this guy? This is a soda. Okay, so there's some soft stuff in here. There's also a stick and a lolly. I'm assuming this is one of those, like, you dip it into the sugary stuff and you eat it. I'm guessing. I don't even know, but that kid looks creepy. I don't even know, but that kid looks creepy. Look at him. Look at that kid. Look at him. Look at it. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. All right. There's a penguin, mini bottle. There's a little strawberry jelly foil. I can't eat this all, guys. I legitimately can't eat this all. Look at all of this. There's too much here. There's way too much here. There's Lottie koalas, whatever that means. What is this? Chocolate chip cookie vanilla. Okay, we're not gonna eat the chocolate chip cookie. What is this? Is that fish? Oh my god, this might be fish. This might be fish, guys. Is that fish? Okay, well this is one I'm gonna have to try. We're gonna put that. Yes, that's a yes on that one. Is this soup flavored snacks? Is this a soup snack? Oh. What? Do I put that in like a ramen? Is this a topping that goes into a ramen? I guess. Oops. I guess it is. Well, that just looks disgusting. Ew. Ew. I don't know. All right, well, we got to try one of these. We're going to try one of these for sure. I'm going to go with the one with the corn on it. We're going to try the fish snack. Let's see, another snack. Oh, we didn't even look at this. What is this? Pandora, a melon thing. Nah, that looks too blasé. I kind of want to try that. We're going to try that one. I don't know if I'm going to try the gum. We have some Oreo-like. I mean, I'm assuming these are just like pretzel sticks, right? They look like pretzel sticks. We have the okay, you know what? Let's try this one as well. This is like just a very plain package. We got to try that one. And let's see. Let's get one more thing in here. What in the world is that? What in the world is that? Is that seaweed wrapped around something? I guess. I guess it is. Oh no. I'm looking at everything here. There's also just this. This is a mystery. It's a pie. Fujiya home pie. It is a home pie. You gotta love me some pie, am I right? You know what, guys? We're gonna try those. If you want me to eat some of these, let me know down below. Let me know down below if you want me to eat some of these. I can't eat all these in one go. I can't look at them. There's too many. There's way too many. There's way too many. I can't. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try this. I'm going to try one of those, since we have so many of those. I guess I'm going to try the fish. I'm assuming it's fish. I'm going to try this weird cookie with the weird kid on it. I guess. And I'll try this. You know, I just realized these aren't really candies. I chose like cookies and biscuits. So let's get a candy. Let's get a candy as well. Let's get a candy as well. Oh. Oh, I thought that was Yokai Watch for a second. But it's a chipmunk and a bunny. And there looks to be like sweet tarts in it, maybe? What? They look like sweet tarts. Let's get something that would be construed as a candy, you know? Like a candy. That's not a cookie. That's not a weird, like, soup topping. You know what? Let's try this. Let's try these as well. These are probably fine. You know what? Let's try this one first. What is this? Some sort of strawberry flavored thing. We love strawberry, right? We love strawberry, right? Okay. What? Oh, is this the one that I... No, it's not the one that I squished. Yo, this kind of feels like a giant nerd. That doesn't look... That looks like a kidney. That looks like a kidney. Let's do a sniff test. Artificial strawberry. Ooh. Definitely artificial strawberry. I guess we'll eat it. Oh my god. That was not what I was expecting. It's a wafer, for one. It's a wafer for one. The artificial strawberry is very strong. It kind of tastes like cereal. What is that? Honey? It tastes like a Honey Crisp cereal, but strawberry flavored. I kind of like it. It tastes like a Honey Crisp cereal, but strawberry flavored. I like that. That's really good. Whatever you are, you're really good. You're really good. 13 grams of something. At least it's in date. At least it's in date. I like that one. That was an A plus for me. That was an A plus for me. Now, let's try this. What is this? What could this be? What could this be? This is a famous like anime manga character, right? I'm hoping this is the 22 year and not the 22nd day. I'm hoping this is 2020. Wait. Yeah. I'm hoping this is 2022 and not July 2020. I'm hoping this is July 22, not... No, other way around. I'm hoping this is July 21st, 2022, not the other way around. What do the other ones say? The other ones are all kind of around that date as well. So I'm assuming we're safe. I'm assuming we're safe. Yeah? What? That... What? What? What in the world? It's a giant Cheeto. It's a giant Cheeto. What? Okay, we'll do a sniff test. What? That smells very familiar. Let me go again. What is that smell? That smell is so familiar. It smells like corn. It is definitely a corn-based thing. It definitely is. Kix. It smells like Kix. Like the cereal Kix. Yeah, that's what it is. It smells like Kix cereal. Okay. Well, if it's a giant tubular Kix cereal, I guess that should be fine. It's empty in the middle. Hopefully there's nothing living down there. Hopefully there's nothing living down there. Okay, we're good. We're good. I'll try a bite. Oh, oh, it is. Oh, oh my God. Okay, so there was a powder on it. I didn't even bite into it. I went to bite it, and there was a powder on it, and it tasted exactly like corn, but powdered. It like turned into cream corn mush in my mouth. All right, we're gonna take a bite. Oh, I don't know why it's so wrong. It's corn. It is it just tastes like corn. But it's got such a weird it's got such a weird texture to it. It's got such a weird texture to it. Mmm. I don't like I don't like that at all. I don't like that one at all. Are they all this weird corn thing? They might be. They might be. Oh, that one's not a good one. That is a no for me. That one is a no for me. That one's a no for me. Uh, I'm kind of I want to leave the fish for last, or maybe I eat the fish now, and then like eat some good stuff after. Hopefully, it's good stuff. Um, you know what? Let's try this weird thing. This weird thing here. All right. Take a close look at it, guys. We got corn dust on my fingers still. Nice look at it. Is it cheese? Ooh, that does not smell right at all. That does not smell right at all. What does that smell like? It doesn't smell off. It just smells foul. Okay, so it's only one side. I'm not looking forward to this one. Oh, almost dropped it. I can't discern the taste. Let's just take a bite. Let's just take a bite. It's very hard. It's very sweet. Okay. It's not, it doesn't really have much of a taste to it. It's just like a very hard biscuit with a little bit of sweet on it. It's not bad. I don't mind it. It's just not, it's not like good. It's not good. It's not good or it's not terrible. It's just kind of meh. That one was very meh. All right. Shall we see if this is fish? Shall we see if this is fish? It might be fish. It might be fish. All right. Oh, there it is. I'm going to sniff it. Oh! Oh, that's fish. That is fish. We're in date. All right, we're in date. That is 100% fish, guys. Oh my God. Whoo, whoo, that is a strong smell. Whoo, it smells like bait. Oh no. Oh no. It smells like fish food. What? Okay. Oh no. All right, we're going to try to get one that's not like an... Okay, there we go. I'm assuming it's just like dried fish and put into a string. Yeah, let's find out. Oh, I can't... I can't bite it. I can't bite it. What? Okay. There we go. I had to soften it up really quick. It was very... Oh, that is not good. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God. Okay. That was not good. That it it just tasted a very, very foul tasting fish or something. I don't even know. I don't even know. Uh, I'm yeah. I need a drink of water. I need a drink of water. That one was not good at all. All right. Oh God. Let's move on. Yeah, let's move on. Shall we try the cookie or the pie? I'm thinking the pie. So here's the Fujiya home pie. Home pie. Home pie, home pie, home pie. Why is the packaging so tough on the home pie? It's... Wait, that doesn't look like a pie. What? Oh my God, why is this packaging so tough? What? This is not a pie. It's a biscuit. It's a little cookie. All right, sniff test. It smells like a pie crust, actually. It smells like a pie crust. Look at that. You see the little granulars of sugar on it? Maybe if the camera wants to focus on that and not my super pale hands. Camera. You get the idea. Anyways. Smells good. Smells very good. Wow. Oh my God. That is so good. Wow. It's like the perfect brittleness, the perfect amount of sugar. It just feels, it tastes like almost caramelized as well. I don't think it's like any particular pie flavor. It smells like pie crust, but it's not pie crust for sure. Holy heck. This is genuinely delicious. This is genuinely delicious. Wow. That is so good. That is so good. That is so good. I ate the whole one of it. That was really, really good. Let's try this one now. Yeah? Yeah, we're gonna go with the weird kid. Is this the last one? We're at 24 minutes. It's a long video. Oh, they're little! Oh, I broke one. We'll eat the broken one. Alright, here it is. Is it like a little Oreo? I guess. Kind of like a weird... We have two cookies with a little cream inside. Yep. Smells like an Oreo. Oh. The cream inside is not very good. I like how it just keeps focusing on all the cookies in the background. This tastes like... Have you ever been to like a dollar store or to Walmart and you buy those super, super cheap off-brand Oreos that are like $1 for like 50 of them? This is exactly what this tastes like. Not bad. Just not very good. It's very cheap. It's very cheap. Oh, we can't end it on that. We can't end it on that. Let's find another one. maybe this guy. The cola bubble candy. Maybe this will be a good, oh, it just opened right up. Okay. What is the date? We're in date, ladies and gentlemen. We're in date. So we have cola bubble candy. What is the cola bubble candy? I'm assuming maybe it's a disc. It's just a disc. I'm assuming maybe it's Coca-Cola bubblegum. Oh, it's very hard. Oh my God. Oh my God, why is it so strong? Oh, it is sharp. It cuts through your taste buds like a knife. What? What? Oh my God, that, like, I took a little chunk of it and it's just like, all right, we're going to churn into a giant bubbling mass of cola in your mouth. Let's try it again. I'm going to try I'm going to try it again. Ooh. 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 It so feels so weird. It like fizzles on your tongue. It fizzles on your tongue and it feels so weird. I kind of like it. Oh. It got me shaking, man. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh. I don't know if I'm supposed to eat that or was I supposed to put it in like a drink? It was so strong. It felt so concentrated. Maybe I was supposed to put that in like water or something. Well, no, it shows him like eating it. It shows him eating it. That made my whole body like react. Oh. It was such a weird sensation on my mouth. That was weird. It's good. I like cola. If you like cola, you're definitely going to like this. I didn't taste any bubble gum. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. There's going to have to be a part 2. There's just too many. There's too many things here. There's going to have to be a part 2. Part 2 with this guy and the staccato. Oh. Oh. Made me burp like cola. Oh my God. This weird thing here. This weird thing. This weird thing. And also, for those that don't know, I got another one for another video in the future. I got this box, little showcase, Turkish Munchies. It is, from my understanding, a bunch of snacks from around the world, and this one's a little bit more packaged and actually tells us what's in it. Papios, Khajiit something. But yeah, this one's actually tells us what's in here. So this will be a video at some point in the future. There's got to be a part 2 for all of this. There's got to be a part 2 for all of this. You know what? We'll end things off on a nice little strawberry jelly. Yes? Nice little strawberry jelly. All right. Nice little strawberry jelly. What do we got here? What do we got here? Actually, wow. Wow. I don't like that there's a giant hole in it. That ain't looking half bad. All right, sniff test of the strawberry jelly. It smells like fake strawberry again. Definitely fake strawberry. I guess we can't really tell if it's in date or not. Was there a date thing here? Just a little concerned by that. Not really. All right, let's just take a bite. Oh. There's a little secret nougaty inside of it. Ooh. That's really good. The outside kind of tastes like a Kit Kat. And then there's like this little filled cavity of strawberry jelly. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. That's wonderful. Oh. It's a shame we don't have more of those. That was genuinely good. That was genuinely good. So this was a no. The fish, 100% a no. 100% a no. This was cheap. Meh. This was so strong. I liked it though. This was kind of just meh. Oh yeah, these were pretty decent. These tasted like the cereal, right? What was the cereal again? I'll be able to tell as soon as I take a bite. Honey Crisp cereal covered in strawberry. This was phenomenal. I want to see if I can find some more of this, because this, genuinely delicious. Genuinely delicious. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, have a good one. If you made it through this 32-minute long video, I commend you. Thank you so much. And I will talk to you next time. Bye.